Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm met again back with Meesho haul, and this time I've got jewelries for you guys. So I'm very much excited because all the jewelries which I got this time are very beautiful, and it's all like a very good quality jewelries. So I hope you guys will like this video. And guys, I'm not able to upload videos in time these days, so it's been happening from last 2 weeks because I'm not really feeling well. So henceforth I'll try to upload videos in time. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video as much as I do, and if you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Alright, the first product which I'm gonna show you guys I received in this box. Let me open it and show you guys. This is how the jewelry looks like. It's a very beautiful design. I really like the finishing of this particular necklace, and you get this thread. You can adjust the thread accordingly, and a very beautiful necklace set, guys. I really like it. And there is also earrings for this. This is how the earrings looks like, and behind you get this what do you call it, I am not really sure. So this is how it looks like, guys. It's a very beautiful, I mean the quality of this earrings is really nice, and of course there are like two. Alright, the price of this particular jewelry is 294 rupees. It's a very affordable and good quality jewelry. If you like it, you can definitely go for it. Anyway, I will provide product links in the description box. The next product which I'm gonna talk about is this one. I think this is like a kundan set. This is how the next neck piece looks like. I mean, this is a very beautiful kundan set. I really like this one, guys, because it has a layer and it looks very beautiful. If you guys like this particular necklace, you can definitely go for it. The quality is not that great because the price of this particular jewelry is reasonable, and don't expect like too good quality. It's like okay, I mean the finishing and everything looks pretty decent, and they have also given earrings for this. So this is how the earrings looks like. And there is also a mang tikka for this. So this is a really nice kundan set. If you are looking for something like this, you can definitely go for it. And anyway, I will provide the product links. I think this is very affordable. Let me check. Alright, the price of this particular kundan set is 345 rupees. I think it's quite affordable. If you're looking for an affordable kundan set, you can definitely go for it. And the quality looks like okay, you can definitely go for it. Alright, the next product which I'm gonna show you guys, I received in this box. Let me open it and show you guys. I received in this box, guys. They have given it in a very good packaging, and inside they have given this kind of pouch. This is like a Ziploc pouch. This is how the neck piece looks like. Oh my god, this particular neck piece looks really beautiful, and they have given like pink color stones here, and there is also a white color stone. I really love this one, guys, because the quality of this particular jewelry looks very premium, and they have also given a chain with the hook. So yeah, this is how it looks like. They have also given a earrings and mang tikka for this. This is how the mang tikka looks like. And there is also earrings for this. This is how the earrings looks like. It's a very beautiful set. I really liked it, and I think the price is more than 1000 rupees. Let me tell you guys. Alright, the price of this particular jewelry is 1744 rupees. I know it's a bit pricey, but the quality of this particular jewelry is really nice. You can definitely wear this to functions. It looks really premium. Anyway, I will provide the product links in the description box. It's up to you guys whether you want to buy it or not. And the next product which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is one of my favorite. If you remember in my previous video, I showed the similar product at a very reasonable price, but this one is more than 1000 rupees, and this is how it looks like. You guys know that I like green color, but this time I tried to get different colors as well. This is how the neck piece looks like. I mean, I'm in love with this neck piece, guys. Just look at it. It looks so elegant. You can wear this on saris. It looks really beautiful, and the stone quality, everything looks premium. So I hope you guys can see properly. Camera is not doing a justice for this particular jewelry because it looks very beautiful. I really like the detailing here, the design. It looks very different, and you can adjust the length accordingly. You can wear it long or short, however you want. And they have also given a earrings for this. This is how the earrings looks like. Again, earrings also looks very beautiful. Alright, the price of this particular jewelry is 1414 rupees. There is like 10% discount, but when I got it, it was 1544 rupees. If you like this jewelry, you can definitely go for it. At this point of time, you have like 10% discount on this, and I don't see any different colors in this. But if I find any, I will definitely give you the links for that as well. And yeah guys, let's move on to the next one. The next product which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is also a very beautiful neck piece. So this is how the next neck piece looks like. It has like a raindrop shape. It looks really beautiful, and it has a very good shine. I hope you guys can see. Finishing of this particular neck piece is really nice. And let me show you the earrings. This is how the earrings looks like. Even earrings has like a drop shape. Alright, the price of this particular jewelry is 1165 rupees, and they have it in different colors. Whichever color you like, you can go for it. And also this particular white color necklace is out of stock, but they have like 4 other colors. Whichever color you like, you can definitely go for it. They have like purple, blue, green, and some other colors. You can go for those colors if you like this particular jewelry. Anyway, I will provide the links in the description box. And the next product which I'm gonna talk about is this one. I received in this packaging, and this is also one of my favorite, guys. This particular necklace looks very beautiful. You can see I got it in red color. Just look at it. I mean, this particular neck piece looks very premium, and the quality is really nice, guys. And I really like the detailing here. Looks really classy, I can say. And they have also given a earrings for this, and this is how it looks like. Very beautiful, you know, earrings. Alright, the price of this particular jewelry is 1485 rupees. And let me see if they have it in different colors. No guys, there is only one color. But anyway, I will provide the product links in the description box so you can check them out. But the quality is really nice. You can definitely go for it. It's like American diamond. All the stone jewelries are in American diamond. So yeah, the last product of this haul is this one. Okay, this particular neck piece is one of my favorite, and the quality of this particular neck piece is very nice. You guys can see the shine. I mean, just look at it guys. It's such a beautiful neck piece. I'm not even exaggerating. You guys can see the shine by yourself. And the design also looks very different. There is also earrings for this. So this is how the earrings looks like. Again, earrings also looks really beautiful. And there is also a mangtika for this. Mangtika is very small. This is how the mangtika looks like. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. It's so small and it looks very beautiful. You guys can see. You guys know that I like dainty stuffs. And they have also given a chain. You guys can use a chain if in case you don't want to use this thread. So yeah guys, they have given a chain, and you get a full set. Let me tell you the price of this particular product. Okay, the price of this particular jewelry is 1320 rupees. So I think it's very affordable guys, because the quality of this particular jewelry is really nice. You guys can definitely go for it. I will put the product links in the description box. And they have also sent me a complimentary, because they saw my video and they really liked it. So they sent me a note here. Dear Shreya, please accept this gift as a token of our love of your reviews. So it's really sweet of them. Thank you so much. Let me see guys what I got in this complimentary pack. This is how it looks like. By the way, I don't have the link for this particular necklace if you guys want to buy it, but I will try to get the link for this particular product as well. And yeah, this is how it looks like guys. Very beautiful set. This is like a clear stone pendant. It looks really beautiful and I really like the design of this one. Really nice set, and thank you so much again. And there is also earrings for this. So this is how the earrings looks like. Let me just open it and show you guys. This is how the earrings looks like. And this is the first time someone sent me PR with so much of love. I am really grateful and thank you so much again. This was a really beautiful gift. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload our next video, take care. Bye bye.